Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is Thandi, and on this channel we look at topics such as lifestyle, hair, beauty and inspiration. On today's video I'll be sharing with you on how to make a silk bonnet like this one. And because you know I am big for protecting natural hair and I am on a natural hair growth journey, so if you're looking to grow your own natural hair or you're looking for some natural hair care tips, please subscribe to this channel. Make sure that you turn on your notification bar and let's go on this journey together. So before I waste any of your time, let's get into the video. Alright, so first start you need your material. That's this ANKARA material, and then you need your silk material, and then that'll be for the inside of your bonnet. Then you'll need some pins or some needles, and of course you'll need your scissors and some elastic and a piece of chalk, and of course a head and a piece of paper and a pen and a measuring tape. So for start, we'll be measuring the head from the tip of the forehead to the back of the neck. You can obviously measure your own head, but just for the purpose of the video I'm showing you on the mannequin head. Then I'll take the measurement, which here was 26 centimeters, and I measure it from the corner of the material. Obviously I folded the material in half, so I start from the corner to the center. So I'll be marking it going all the way round, and then what I'll do is I'll pin it to my table so that I'll be able to cut. And then you should have your material in 4 pieces looking like this, and then you cut across that half circle that you drew measuring with the measuring tape. Now you should have a circle that looks just like this one. So now you'll take the silk material, join it to the cotton material, and then you will cut the exact same size circle in the silk material as I did here. So you should have 2 pieces that look like this. Now you take your tape measure and just take 2 centimeters and measure the edge of the circle. Go all around and just place a piece of chalk all around. This is where we're going to join for our elastic. So it's going to be all the way around. This is where we're going to line on the sewing machine for our elastic. Then I'm going to go ahead and measure the strips. This is the length, and then the height I measured for about 1 meter each. Then you should have 2 strips of exactly the same size. So here I just took the same strip that I had cut in the beginning, and then I joined it with another strip to cut the exact same size so that I can join them together to create this long strip in the end. And then I went ahead and joined that same strip material on my silk material so I could create the silk strip. I leave a little bit of a space on the edges because silk is obviously different to the cotton. And then I just snip it in the center and just rip it all the way down, because with silk you don't have to use a scissor, you can just rip it. You should have 4 strips now in the end. So now we're coming back to our circle. Now you would have joined your material and it should look like this, and you've ironed it as well. So we're going to take our elastic now. We will measure using the measurement of the circumference of the head. So now we will take our button or any pin and pin it to the elastic. Now we're going to put through that pin all the way into the lining that we had sewn, that 2 centimeter measurement that we had sewn. We're going to go shove it right all the way around until it reaches the other end, and then we pull it and we should have what looks like this now. Okay, so now that you're done with your silk bonnet, so you're gonna use it for going to bed. So this will be the inside. This is the side that protects your hair, locks in the moisture, and of course this is the outside of the bonnet. This is the side that you'll be showing off to everyone, so you wear it just like this. And if for those who are not wearing silk bonnets yet in this time and age, please can you catch up with the times and get yourself a silk bonnet, please, especially if you're growing your natural hair. So you wear it just like this, you go to bed. Okay, so when you're going out, you would it would look nicer if you wear it with an updo, a hairstyle that is tied up. So if you've got natural hair, then you can use maybe your high bun, your updo, or if you've got your braidings and you can just tie them up in a bun. It always looks good. But for me right now, I don't have any style, just got my hair down cornrows, so I just put a turban underneath, and then I just added yeah, this looks crazy, I know, but it's gonna make sense in a second. Then I just add a high bun hairpiece into the turban, so I just pull the turban out. And then I've got a piece, a small longer piece here at the end to indicate that this is the back of the bonnet. And then I've got inside, I've put 2 pins, 2 clips, so that I can clip the strips of the bonnet. Oh boy, I hope I
sound like I'm making sense. Okay, alright, I'm gonna put it on, and then
put it on, and then of course I push it back. Okay, so once you have your bonnet on, you grab your strip. Okay, so naturally this would be the one we would wear first because that's the one that matches with the material, and we just, you know, just make sure it's even. Now you've got a nice turban to go out. You can match it with whatever you want to match it with, but there you go. Yeah. Okay, so like as you've seen in the beginning of the video, I was wearing this strip, which is the silk one. I decided to just make 2 just to have something to interchange or something different. But as you know, if you don't know, I'm just gonna tell you now, I can be extra sometimes. I do like to be extra sometimes, so I would wear both these strips together